Coast of Florida, a bottlenose dolphin rises to the surface, exhales a sharp burst of air, and turns to look directly at the boat watching it. For a moment, it feels less like observing an animal and more like being observed in return. For decades, scientists have suspected that behind those eyes sits one of the most sophisticated minds in the ocean. The evidence keeps proving them right. Start with the brain itself. A bottlenose dolphin carries a brain that is large. Not just in absolute terms, but relative to its body, a ratio second only to humans among the animals we have studied closely. The surface of that brain is deeply folded, packed with the kind of structure associated with complex thought. But size is only the beginning of the story. What dolphins actually do with those brains is where things get remarkable. Dolphins recognize themselves in mirrors. Place a mark on a dolphin where it cannot see it directly, give it a reflective surface, and it will twist and turn to inspect the mark, clearly understanding that the reflection is itself and not another animal. This test, the same one used on human toddlers, is passed by only a tiny handful of species. It points to a sense of self, an awareness that there is an I doing the looking. Then there is the matter of names. Every bottlenose dolphin develops a signature whistle, a unique sequence of sounds it invents early in life, and uses to identify itself for the rest of its days. Other dolphins learn these whistles and will copy them to call a specific individual the way you might call a friend by name across a room. Researchers have recorded dolphins responding to their own signature whistle, even when it is played back years later, a memory for social identity that rivals our own. Watch a pod hunt and the intelligence becomes physical. Along the shallows of South Carolina, dolphins drive fish toward muddy banks in a technique called strand feeding, lunging halfway onto land to snatch their prey before sliding back into the water. In other regions, dolphins stir up rings of mud with their tails to trap fish inside a swirling net of silt. These are not instincts shared by all dolphins everywhere. They are local techniques, invented in one place and taught from one generation